Yeah, I'd love to if you're open to it.
Okay, I talked to my son, and
Yeah.
and they were saying they've heard of that, of people doing that on Facebook
Yeah, yep.
and whatever.
Yeah, YouTube and all that stuff.
YouTube.
You know, but yeah, if you're open to it, I would love to do it for you.
Okay.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Free Pressure Washing. On this episode, check out how I made this beginner level driveway artwork, what I thought about the turbo nozzle, and this reminder to like and subscribe if you enjoy watching these videos. All coming up next. Alright, it's go time. As you guys know from previous videos, I really like to go around and clean up the whole driveway prior to getting to pressure washing. So let's get this finished up so that we can have a nice clean job. As you can see, it really didn't take too much time to blow off the property. She keeps it pretty well maintained, so we were able to get started with these steps here. And I was really happy with how these steps came out. You can see as I go through and pressure wash them that the black cracks in between the bricks are being cleaned up and returning to white. So after cleaning the staircases, I decided to do a little bit of promotional work for the channel. As you can see here, it says like and subscribe, and I know you guys probably hear that too much, but I also want to say that I am extremely thankful for all the views and subscribers that we have already on the channel. The more that we get views, the more that we get subscribers, the more we'll be able to do work like this, you know, free jobs for people just like this one. So thank you so much for the support, and let's continue to grow. Also, before I forget, I'd like to give a shout out to the subscriber below, aka Chuckster, in the comments for suggesting a turbo nozzle. I tried the turbo nozzle out, and I don't think I'm going to go back to anything else after this. It doesn't seem like those attachments on the pressure washer that actually come with the pressure washer are worth anything now that I've tried turbo nozzle. So thank you so much, Chuckster. As you can see here, I did end up swapping back and forth with the turbo nozzle and the nozzle that actually came with the pressure washer, but in the end, it's just not worth using anything else other than the turbo nozzle, because it seems as though the turbo nozzle allows you to be more accurate and clear more area quicker. And so we've now arrived at the driveway, and I'm just going to clear an edge around the entire exterior of the driveway and then get the surface cleaner out to knock out the larger interior piece of the driveway. Alright, now we're talking. We got the big guns now, we got the surface cleaner out, and I always forget to adjust the pressure back higher than what it was previously, because when I use the wand, I need to lower the pressure to 3000 psi so that I don't damage the concrete. Obviously, if I have lower pressure using the surface cleaner, it will be less effective too. So very important to adjust the pressure higher so that the surface cleaner can do its job. As you can see here, I had the pressure too low for the surface cleaner, so I had to go back over the area to actually clean it. I really enjoy doing half of the driveway clean and half of it dirty so that you guys can see a true comparison of how dirty the driveway actually is. But definitely let me know if there's a better way to do this so that it's more satisfying to watch. just for fun here, here's a clip of me struggling with the water hose, just to show you guys that it's just not easy all the time. Maybe some of you can relate. Moving on to the second part of the driveway here, I'm just going to do an exterior clean like I did before, and then hit it with the surface cleaner. Around this time, I decided, man, it'd be pretty neat if we could make a design. So I decided to make a circle to put the design in, and then attempted what I've attempted in one of my other videos, which is putting FPW in the design, and I think this one came out a lot better. And to be honest, I'm quite surprised with how the circle came out. This was actually a lot of fun to create. I might try doing this a lot more in my videos, and maybe I'll get a little better at it as we go. Check it out. Not bad, huh? Let me know what you think in the comments. So here I had just noticed that the surface cleaner didn't get rid of all of the FPW in the circle, so I had to go back over it with a wand to get rid of the highlights that I created in the concrete. Now that we've completed the driveway, we can start on the curbs and the sidewalk. Well, we're about to be done completely with the driveway, but I have to say, if you guys thought the driveway was dirty, just wait until the sidewalks. Right here, I noticed a screw in the driveway, so I went ahead and removed it so that nobody gets a flat tire. Fun fact, I don't know if you guys have seen the house in the background there, but that is actually the house that I pressure washed for my second video. The sidewalks really gave me a difficult time on the second video, and obviously they extend into this property as well. So check out how nasty the sidewalks are prior to cleaning them. And of course, check out some of the designs that I threw in there as well. And I know what you guys are saying, I'm like the next Picasso, but, you know, please hold the applause. I mean, look at that car, it doesn't get any better than that. After that show of skill, if you're still watching this video, I don't know why you wouldn't subscribe. Or maybe I do. Now we'll head to the other side of the sidewalk, and I'll just go to lettering now to spare you all the detailed artwork for the last part of the video. Just a note here, this is the driveway that I pressure washed for the second video, and I just wanted to make sure that I cleared all the dirt out of it so that I didn't leave a nasty stain on the driveway. And don't forget to wave to people who pass by.
So what do you think?
I loved it. You did a wonderful job.
Awesome.
I really appreciate it.
And that concludes today's video. I hope you all have a great day. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share this with your friends. See you guys in the next video.